Hi, and welcome to one of our videos in the DIY range. New Trades Career run courses in plumbing, electrics, gas, renewables and welding. We've made some general videos for you to help you increase your DIY skills. But if you're looking to become a fully qualified tradesperson, visit www.newtradescareer.co.uk and we'll help you achieve your goals.
How to lay guttering with an ideal gradient. First, ensure the fascia board is level. We'll be using it as a reference point for the gradient of the gutter, so this step is critical. With that complete, we'll start with the running outlet. Secure it at a low point on the fascia board, using the screw holes on the back. We can now begin to calculate the gradient of the gutter. The slope we're looking for follows a 1:600 ratio, that is, for every 600 mm of distance from the outlet, the gutter should be 1 mm higher. This gentle gradient ensures the water flows in the direction we want. Measure the distance between the centre of the outlet and the end of the gutter. For demonstration, we'll say that this distance is 3 meters. Using the gutter ratio, we can now calculate the total drop of the gutter from the end to the outlet. This is as simple as dividing the distance by 600. So 3000 mm divided by 600 gives us 5 mm. Therefore, the overall fall of the gutter should be 5 mm lower at the outlet than at the end. Measure the distance from the top of the outlet to the top of the fascia board. For the purpose of demonstration, we'll say that this distance is 45 mm. We know that the end of the gutter needs to be 5 mm higher than this. So by deducting 5 from 45, we have 40 mm, the distance between the top of the fascia board and the top of the end bracket. So secure this bracket both 40 mm from the top of the fascia board and at the same point we used to measure the distance to the running outlet. We'll need more brackets in between the outlet and the end to support the full length of the gutter. An easy way to determine where they should be is to fasten a string line to the bottom of the end bracket. Pass this string through the running outlet, tighten it, and tie it off to stop it from moving or slacking. This line follows the exact 1:600 ratio gradient, which gives us a perfect reference point for any other brackets we need. Divide the length of the gutter by 2 to give us 1500 mm. Measure this distance from the outlet and mark the fascia with a pencil. This is where our next bracket will be, right in the middle of our gutter. Raise this second bracket at the pencil mark until the bracket just touches the string line, then secure it in place. The next two brackets can be placed directly between the end and the centre bracket and between the outlet and the centre bracket, using the same method as before. Measure the distance between point A and point B, halve it, and measure that distance from point A and mark it. Then, just as before, raise the brackets into position and secure them in place. This method is a quick and reliable way to ensure your gutter gradient is correct and smooth, and balances the load of the gutter evenly. However, it's important to make sure that the number of brackets and their spacing are suitable for the type and length of gutter you are laying. We can now remove the string line. Its job is done. Let's repeat the process for the other side of the outlet. For the sake of demonstration, we'll say that this length of gutter will be 1 meter, 1000 mm. First, we need the total fall of the gutter. Remember the 1:600 ratio. Divide 1000 by 600, that gives us 1.6 mm. Therefore, the fall should be 1.6 mm. Deduct this from 45 to give us 43.4 mm. As before, this is the height of our first bracket, from the top of the fascia board. Unlike before, since 1 meter of guttering is suitable for this gutter type, we won't need to add any other brackets in between. We can now cut and clip in the lengths of guttering we need. To finish the job, we just have to connect external stop ends to each end of the gutter.